Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the NFTs that I've come across that I feel can really make an impact in the NFT space, slickercats.com. That is the website. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, Educational Networking, and head over there and check it out. In today's video, I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the different methodologies, utility that this particular NFT has, and the team that is actually behind this NFT. One of the major things and mistakes that a lot of individuals tend to make is that when they invest in NFT, they don't do their proper research. And that is the reason why I'm making all these videos for you guys, to ensure that you have the proper knowledge before you actually invest in any NFT and understand what the utility of that NFT is and who are the individuals behind the projects and what the NFT is actually about and what this project tends to achieve as well. So always be one step ahead with the Slicker Cats from Solana. It's based on the Solana blockchain, a community that seeks effective profitability within the Web 3.0. It seeks to gather and share strategies, methods, and guidelines to maximize gains, reduce errors, and through the accessibility of information and through the investment in the construction of the Slicker tool platform. And this is one of the reasons I personally believe this particular NFT has a lot of potential, because they have a clear direction. They're determined and understand exactly what they need to do. They have aims and goals that they know how to achieve. And being part of a community, being part of a project that has that determined clearly in front of them, you can know that this is a project that is not just scalable but successful at the same time. It is enough to observe that the cats for a short period of time to recognize that they're extremely intelligent, fast, skittish beings. And there's no exaggeration in saying that stray cats are a real surprise box. Anyways, the most common thing that I believe is that there are stray cats are incredibly more independent and know how to get by in the environment that they're living in. They're actually smarter. And the Slicker Cats, in addition, are representing the element of value within the community, which will give owners to access to all the tools, the tips, and technology developed in the community. And the NFT itself is a literal method that belongs over here. And the best thing is that to become faster, the Slicker tool is to mint a guaranteed. And obviously you can auto mint as well. At the same time, you have your elements that are available over here. And that is one of the reasons I feel the NFT that can give you the utility that is required to ensure you can get a return on your investment is essential. And looking at the way that they developed the NFT is absolutely brilliant. The artistic approach that they've taken in developing each individual NFT is very unique. The soul that the artist has brought into the NFT can be clearly seen in the way that they have been developed. And that is one of the reasons why I feel the benefits taking this NFT is absolutely brilliant, because all the opportunities being a Slicker Cat holder can give you is the best and the yet to come. And this is literally just the beginning. From the tools to the airdrops, to the whitelist, to the brand shop, and property rights are entitled to you. And obviously when you have a project of this nature, you can clearly see the dimensions in which they can grow, expand, and that is how they are bringing things together. And looking at the team that has brought this particular project into the NFT space, into the Web 3.0, they're literally changing the way the dynamics tend to work. And they're giving an opportunity for individuals to be part of something much greater than them. And they're giving an opportunity for individuals to understand how and what they need to do. You have individuals over here that have created this project that are associated with the biggest name in the industry, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Meta Avatars, and even the Invisible Friends. And these are some of the names that you can clearly see, that understand and give an opportunity to show that they know exactly what they're doing, how they're doing it, what strategies they need to implement, and how they actually need to execute those strategies. And that is the reason why I personally feel when you have a team of this nature with decades of experience under their belt, with crypto space understanding, with the NFT space understanding, with the crypto space understanding, with the fact that they know exactly how to implement strategies, they can ensure that they can take matters to the next level. And obviously looking at when the mint is going to be is very important. This is going to be on the 24th of July, which is literally in the coming days. So make sure that you can actually get this. And what is the price going to be? That is going to be determined. So please make sure that you join their Discord to ensure that you have the up-to-date information about it. And also follow them on their Twitter, because the Twitter is one of the most important places to get up-to-date information. They have 53,300 followers. I'm going to increase that by one number right now. And as I scroll down, guys, you'll clearly see the amount of engagement they tend to have with their future NFT holders. They understand that the information that they provide is essential for individuals to make a choice of whether to buy or not this NFT. And I feel that they are given a lot of importance to their Twitter handle, because a lot of times many NFT projects do not actually regularly update, and they've done a wonderful job where continuously collaborating, updating, giving information, creating, sharing, and showing what the potential of this NFT is. And that is one of the reasons why I understand and believe that they've got what it takes to take Matter to the next level. So guys, if your interest is in NFT, I would highly suggest that you actually invest in it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos I'm making. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel of the Educational Network. You can head over there, get it, and drop me a message. Or you can always drop me a message in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and give you any information that you need. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.